our main goal is to find basically the x so that OR, the segment OR is parallel to segment BD. Now, they are given here. So BO, in the triangle BAD, itong triangle na to, no, the BO would be x minus 5. The OA would be 15, which is itong part lang na to. DR would be x minus 4, this part. And then AR, and there's another part that is 18. Now, um, we all know that the OR, let's say OR is parallel to BD. So, itong OR na to, itong OR is parallel to BD. So, from the things or the properties that we've learned in the previous example, we can say that the triangle, this two triangle, uh, the bigger one, which is BAD, is similar, somewhat similar to the triangle OAR. Saan ba yung triangle na yon? Okay? So, this is the triangle. Itong part lang na to, itong BAD na yan, is similar to this little triangle na OAR. Okay? So, we can say that the AO over AB is equal to AR over AD. Teka, saan ba yung AO na yan? So, the AO is this part. Let me change the color. At yung AB ay yung buong part na yan. So, this A and B. Okay? So, itong buong part na to. Then, yung AR naman, yung nasa baba. Yung AR is 18. Then, AD is yung buong part ng segment na yan. So, we have AO, right? AO is 15. Or OA is 15. Over AB. AB is the sum of these two measurement, which is x minus 5 plus 15. And that is equal to AR. AR is going to be 18. This part over AD. AD is the sum of these two measurements. So x minus 4 plus 18. Okay, as we continue our solution here, um, first we simplify the denominator. So we have 15 divided by x minus 5 plus 15. Negative 5 plus 15, that is 10, right? So x plus 10. And that is equal to 18 over the denominator, negative 4 plus 18, that is x plus 14. Okay? So cross product property. So this x plus 14 being multiplied by, so that is x plus 15 times x plus 14, that is equal to 18, okay, times x plus 10. Then distributive property, we have 15x plus 210 equals 18x plus 180. Okay? So, combining like terms, pagsamahin natin. So, sa kabila, kapag pinagsama-sama natin na magkakaparehas, so that is negative 3x. And that is equal to negative 30. Okay? Isolating the x for us to find the value of x, dividing both sides by negative 3. So, the final answer would be x is equal to positive 10. Okay? So, ang x natin dito is positive 10. Yun lang naman yung hinahanap natin dyan. So, with that, we can say na OR is parallel to BD. Go ahead and try to identify if they are parallel. Basta ang x natin is 10. Now, if you want to try your skills, try this number 6 practice exercises. Same process that we did in our example here. I want you to find the x so that the OR is parallel to BD. We proceed to our next example. See you in our next part of our example.